Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on marketing with Mailchimp, beginner guide step-by-step. Start by creating a Mailchimp account. Visit the Mailchimp website and click on the sign up free button. Fill in your email, username, and password. Verify your email address to activate your account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Navigate to the Audience tab to manage your contacts. Import existing contacts by clicking on Import Contacts. Choose the method that suits you best for importing, such as CSV files. Set up sign-up forms to grow your audience organically. Customize your sign-up forms to reflect your brand. Use the Campaigns tab to create email marketing campaigns. Click on Create Campaign and select the campaign type. Utilize Mailchimp's templates for professional-looking emails. Personalize your content to resonate with your audience. Schedule your emails to optimize open rates and engagement. Analyze the performance of your campaigns through the Reports section. Review open rates, click rates, and conversion metrics. Utilize Mailchimp's automation features to save time. Experiment with A/B testing to refine your messaging. Use tagging and segmentation to target specific audience groups. Leverage the integration options Mailchimp offers to streamline your processes. Connect with e-commerce platforms or social media accounts for broader reach. Stay informed about Mailchimp's updates and new features to improve your campaigns. Regularly clean your email list to maintain engagement. Monitor your results consistently to make data-driven decisions. Adjust your marketing strategies based on insights gained. By following these steps, you can effectively save on your marketing efforts with Mailchimp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.